In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collection in Intercom Help Center. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space ready to group related articles so customers can find answers faster. A collection in Intercom is simply a container for articles on a shared theme. Think getting started, billing and subscriptions, or troubleshooting. Clear collections make your Help Center easier to browse and improve search results for your users. Start by opening Intercom and heading to your dashboard. This is your home base, where you can access all the tools you need. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one, and confirm you have permission to manage the Help Center. If you can see Help Center settings later on, you're good to go. Next, navigate to your Help Center settings. Click Settings, then choose Help Center. This is where structural elements like collections live. If you manage multiple Help Centers or languages, make sure you're looking at the one you want to update before you continue. Taking a second to verify this now can save you from duplicating work later. When you're in the Help Center area, look for the New button and select Collection. This tells Intercom you want to create a new top-level group, not an article or a single page. The interface can vary slightly depending on your plan or feature updates, but New and Collection are the key options to look for. Now it's time to enter the details. Add a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something that matches how your customers think and search: short, scannable, and specific. Names like account management or product guides work well because users immediately know what they'll find there. Then add a description. This short summary helps readers understand the scope of the collection and can boost discoverability in search. Keep it concise, use plain language, and include a couple of common terms your audience might use. If your Help Center supports multiple languages, consider how this name and description will translate so the meaning stays consistent. When everything looks right, save your collection by clicking Create or Save, depending on the label you see. Intercom will add the new collection to your Help Center structure. You'll be able to see it in your list of collections right away and add content to it whenever you're ready. That's it. You opened Intercom, went to Help Center settings, created a new collection, added a name and description, and saved your work. With these basics in place, your Help Center will be easier to navigate and maintain as it grows.